It's dinner time! Who's ready for some barbecue? So if you're like me and you love camping and also doing some outdoor cookings at the park, let me introduce to you the Nineigh camping cookware set. Comes with this nice carry case. Oh, okay. There's even a pocket in the back. Alright, so this is the 16-piece set. Let's see what is all inside here. Jam-packed in an orderly fashion. Wow, that's a lot of tools right here. So please excuse me if I don't know the nomenclature of each. Everything is made of stainless steel. I think this is called a ladle for soup. This must be the, I believe this is called a whisk. So you can make scrambled eggs or cake. A nice little whisk. And this is, of course, everybody's favorite peeler. Very important. Looks like there's, oh, okay, there's serration to it. You can peel potatoes, fruits, anything you can think of. And this must be like kind of like a fork or a spatula like. Okay, this one you will use to handle hot meat. And this is your typical frying pan. I think this is called a spatula. All right. Now for the barbecue part, you have two of these barbecue skewers, which is also extendable. See, look at this. Got a nice little full wood handle. So you can extend it to very long. Oh, that is super long. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at how long this is. Whoa, wait. I didn't expect it to be this long. It's like those old school cars, you know, those super long 90s cars with those super long antennas. Cool. Very cool. It's quite. So it's not pointy. See? Just enough to get you started. Okay, you have one of these, I think this is called the, what is it called, like a prong, I think? Yeah, so you can handle hot items, you know, very nice right here. I think we covered that's 8 items, and this is a grater, yeah. So you grate cheese or fruits and vegetables to make your salads. Okay, and we have a nice pair of shears or scissors with a, I think this is built-in bottle opener. Hey, this is pretty nice. I can use an extra pair of scissors. And it even comes with a cutting board. Look at this nice little cutting board, okay? That's gonna come in handy. Alright. So this 9, 10, 11. And this is tool number 12. Look at this knife. Wow, that is sharp right there. Pretty sturdy too. Okay. 13, 14, we have 2 of these shakers. You can use it for salt or sugar or black pepper. Nice stainless steel finish. See, you can have different size holes too. Oh, that's cool. Look at this, small, medium to large. Very nice. I think this is the 15th tool. This is like a, what is this? This is a special, I think that is a bottle opener, you know, for the opening the wine. So you screw this, you know, to cork the wine. And it even comes with a little like a mini saw thing. Serrated tooth. Okay, that's cool. I always wanted one of these to carry with me everywhere. And I think, including the case, that's the 16th item. So you have everything. You can jam pack in here, easy carry it all to the park or your camping or hiking site to prepare your favorite foods. It's as simple as that. Very handy.